Here I'm going to show off my CP7762 with protective boot, and I'm going to compare the size to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And also I'm going to include some Genius Tools 3/4 drive triple square socket and Genius Tools 3/4 drive star bit sockets. Okay. Forward and reverse, high and low power. And here's the protective boot. There she go. So far, I'm the only person outside of the manufacturer that showed videos of this actually being used. There was a guy that made a video about this back in 2017, but he never released any performance videos. Okay, this is the Genius Tools triple square M16 3/4 drive socket. Part number is 6199916. Here is the M18, part number 6199918. And here are some 3/4 drive star bit sockets from Genius. This is a T80, part number 6196980. It's a T90 right here, 3/4 drive, part number 6196990. And here is the T100, part number 6196995.